Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we are going to be making breaded tenderloin sandwiches. So come on, let's get started. Okay, so I have my skillet with some oil in it heating up. Now I already did 3 of these, but I'm going to show you what I did. I had a little piece of tenderloin roast, so I cut it into small medallions. And then what I'm going to do is, what I did to the other ones, is I'm just going to pound them out. Now, I don't have a meat pounder, so I just use my rolling pin. And I just pound them. And you want them almost thin enough to see through. And it don't take long to do this. And it's great to get some of your aggressions out. But you're doing this, one, so it doesn't take so long to cook. And 2, so they cook evenly. See how thin? They're like paper thin. Okay, now in this bowl, I have some flour. And I'm just going to season up my flour with some onion powder, some garlic powder, some smoked paprika, some salt, and some pepper. Mix that all together. Check the temperature on our oil. It's almost there. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to flour both sides of my tenderloin. Flip it over, and we're going to flour the other side. And by now, our oil should be hot. Turn our heat down just a little bit. And now we're just going to fry these. And it don't take long. And like I said, because they're so thin, it doesn't take them long to cook. Leave that one a couple more minutes to get it a little browner. You want your oil at 350 degrees. Take it out, drain it on some paper towels, and we're ready for our next one. And I'm going to say you don't want to cook these any more than 3 minutes per side. Because they're so thin, it doesn't take them long to cook all the way through. Now, if you want, you could buy boneless, thin cut pork chops and pound them out and get the same thing. These don't take that long to make. But this would make a great summertime lunch or dinner, springtime, because no one wants to be in the kitchen cooking, heating up everything. So these don't take no time to cook. So I'll finish these up and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, now let's make our sandwich. This is just the fat pieces that I cut off. I'm frying them up for Buddy. So you want to take your hamburger bun and you want to take one of your cutlets. Add a little bit of mustard. Some sliced onion. And some pickle slices. And there you have it. At the fair, they call these Texas tenderloins. And they're a lot bigger. But my tenderloin was kind of small, what I had left. So it didn't get quite as big. But same idea. So let's give it a taste. So I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. I tore a piece off so you could see it. It's very tender, very juicy. And here's our sandwich. Great flavor. So I'd like to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to Mining Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account in the description box below. This recipe will be in the description. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.